Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to science class. Learners, in the previous session, we have read about the parts of a plant. Today, we will read about germination of seed. Germination means to grow, spring up. A seed contains a baby plant. A seed needs soil, water, air, and sunlight to grow into a new plant. The process of growth of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Contains means to have something inside. Okay. It means after seedling, it develops into a new plant. This process is called germination. Okay. Now, exercise time. Tick the correct answer. Two main parts of a plant are fruit and shoot. B है leaf and shoot, fruit and root, root and shoot. We have read in the chapter root and shoot are the main parts. ठीक है. Rose, hibiscus and tomato have fibrous root, taproot, fibrous shoot or tap shoot. Choose the right answer. This is taproot, right? Next, thin tubes running across a leaf are called leaf blade, stomata, veins or roots. Yes, tell me the correct answer. Very good. Veins. Yes. Which of the following makes food for the plant? Leaf, root, flower, fruit. All of you know very well. Leaf is the correct answer. Tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves are called veins, side veins, roots or stomata. Yes. Which one is correct? Stomata. Right. Now, fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Roots fix the plant firmly in the dash. Soil, air, water. Which one is right? Right, soil. Next, dash roots are found in sugarcane and onion. Which type of fruits in sugarcane? Fibers. Right. The dash carries food and water to different parts of a plant. Leaf, root or stem? Which carries food? Stem. Right. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf dash, blade, knife or tail. Yes. Blade is right. A mango has dash, one, two or many seed. You eat mango, mango has only one seed. Correct. Learners, exercise C and D, I am sending the PDF of these exercises. Okay. Next is match the following parts of plants with their functions. Here are some pictures. Next, now holds the plant upright. What is that? Hold the plant. Can you tell me? This is stem. This is a stem which holds the plant. Next, contains seeds. Which one is right? Tomato. Next, take in water and minerals from the soil. Which take root. Yes. Grows into fruit. That is bud. Okay. Now you have to write here 1 C, 2 A, 3 D and 4 B. Okay, learners. Now next, take some gram seeds, a pot and some soil. Fill the pot with soil and put seeds in it. Keep the pot in sunlight. Water the pot every day. After a few days, seeds will germinate. This is germination. Okay. Next is, plants and animals are living things. Are they different? Write 2 reasons in support of your answer. Learners, you have to do this question yourself. Okay? Yes. Hina was plucking flowers and leaves from plants. Her grandpa told her not to do so. He explained the importance of flowers and leaves. Hina promised not to pluck flowers and leaves from plants. What moral can you draw from this? Choose the right answer. We should pull out plants instead of plucking flowers. We should pluck flowers but not leaves. We should not pluck leaves and flowers. We should pluck leaves as they are not of any use. Yes, learners. Which one is right? Think. Yes. We should not pluck leaves and flowers. Number C is right. Correct. Plants are very useful. They give us many things. We should take care of plants. Tick the things you should do to take care of plants. Water them daily. Keep them in sunlight. Pull them out. Pluck leaves and flowers. Yes, learners, what is the correct answer? Yes, water them daily and keep them in sunlight. Clear? Okay, learners. This chapter has been completed. So, you should see the video daily and do your work from PDF neat and clean in your EVS notebook. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.